Now I'm inside Grand Central Station, and I've never seen so few people in here. It's actually kind of weird. The Apple store is closed, and I'm on my way to the Soho Apple store for a little workshop. I'm working on a project, and I just stopped off to see what it would be like with these storm conditions inside Grand Central, but maybe I'm not going to be going to the Apple store today. It's my favorite thing. Here, I'm going to give you a little view of Grand Central. You might have seen some of those other Grand Central time lapses I've done, where this almost looks a little bit busy if you are not accustomed to what it usually is. Well, I'm just gonna go see if I can get to the Apple store in Soho. I will report back. This is me being Tiara. I put my headphones in. Is that better? If you watched the other one and you couldn't hear me, sorry about that. I didn't really say anything important. It was more the visual.